Praise be to Jesus Christ. Welcome back to another episode of the journey through Apostolic Succession to know about the next Pope in our Catholic lineage. Is apostolic authority according to scriptures and based on church tradition? Let's see. Catechism of the Catholic Church, paragraph 880 says, when Christ instituted the 12, He constituted them in the form of a college or permanent assembly, at the head of which He placed Peter, chosen from among them. Just as by the Lord's institution, St.Peter and the rest of the apostles constitute a single apostolic college, so in like fashion, the Roman Pontiff, Peter's successor, and the bishops, the successors of the apostles, are related with and united to one another. So we see that according to the teachings of the Church, this line of succession needs to be preserved until the end of time. So today, let us see who is the 159th Pope in Apostolic Succession. It is Pope Blessed Urban II. Let us look at some info to know more about Pope Urban II. Pope Urban II was born as Otho of Lagery, also sometimes called as Otto or Otto. He was born in 1042 in a very noble family in the Kingdom of France. From the get-go, Otto was a very pious child who grew up in the church. He acquired his early education from the Catholic Church. He was educated in Reims by Bruno of Cologne and eventually became canon. Some interesting facts about Pope Urban II. Otto of Lagery was officially elected for Pope on March the 12th, 1088 and adopted the name of Urban II. During his reign, there were tensions among the anti-pope Clement III and Roman Emperor Henry IV. He continued the work of Gregory VII while also striving for superiority over monarchies. Pope Urban II sought to consolidate power and reunite Christians. Eventually, royalty throughout Europe started to form alliances with the Church in exchange for recognition by the Pope. Urban II took this power and started the First Crusades. The First Crusades were an attempt to recapture Jerusalem and unify Christians in the East and the West. The enemy in these holy wars were the Muslims. Pope Urban II managed to gain support for the First Crusades and have militaries fight for him. He is known to have said the famous words, "It is the will of God," or "God wills it," during his speech at the Council of Clermont. So let us see a quick snippet about Pope Urban II and his reign. He was born in 1042 in France. Before becoming Pope Urban II, he was known as Otto of Lagery. Pope Urban II's reign of the Catholic Church commenced on March the 12th, 1088. His papacy ended upon his death on July the 29th, 1099. Pope Urban II died of natural causes in the house of Pierleon in Rome. His death came 2 weeks after the fall of Jerusalem. Unfortunately, he passed before the news of the Crusades' success was able to make it back to Rome. Pope Urban II was succeeded by Pope Paschal II. So that's about our 159th Pope in Apostolic Succession. Stay tuned for the next video on the 160th Pope. Till then, please do share this information with everyone around you so that all may come to know about the rich apostolic lineage in the Catholic Church. Stay blessed for Christ and for the Church.